do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it. All that I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Main one time, are you fronting on me and on the main one time? Are you blaming on me? You the main one lying. Are you threatening me and on the main one time? Just trying to be your everything. Main one time, are you fronting on me and on the main one time? Are you blaming on me and you the main one time? Are you threatening me and on the main one time? Yeah.
When I'm with you, how can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. I think I know. You know I can't lose it.
Alright, so I'm gonna put up this calendar I was supposed to put up a very long time ago. And I need it because I need to be organized about what I got coming up and everything. I need to start putting bills on here, all types of stuff. I've been needing to put this up, so I need to put it up today. And the reason why is because I had nails that came with it, and I lost it. It was like a certain type, like it's hard to explain, but like I think it had attachments on it, and the other nails like locked in with the attachment, and that's how you put it on the wall. But it has these, so I'm finna just try to use hammer nails and see if it'll hold like that. We're gonna see. Yo, these are like super tiny, so I'm gonna do 2 on each side because they're like super small. Let me see. Let me get an idea. So probably gonna fill this out for the month, even though the month is almost over. I might do next month. Because I need to start, like I said, I need to start putting my bills on there because I don't be knowing when money coming out. Oh, I need to go to the bank today too. I don't be knowing when my money coming out, and I have a separate card for like work. So like my tips go on that. So all my money be on there, and then literally like right now I have like $27 in my bank account because all my subscriptions and stuff and bills basically, well, the automatic bills be coming out there, and I don't be putting money in there like I need to be. So I just realized that I gotta go to the bank, so I'm finna probably go do that real quick and put money in my bank account before it overdraft. I don't want it to overdraft. I'm sure I still got some stuff that's gonna come out because it's the end of the month. But yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do now. Go to the bank. I'm probably gonna get some coffee. I need a bath mat. I might hit Walmart up because I threw away my bath mat. It was nasty. It was disgusting. They said there's a bath mat on Amazon that's like supposed to be like not like get mildewy and stuff, because that's what my bath mat was starting to do. It was like getting nasty. Like, and if y'all have cleaning tips for bath mats, let me know, because I'm probably gonna have to just go get me a regular one real quick. But yeah, I've been real into like the cleaning reels on Instagram. Y'all know I don't have TikTok, but the cleaning reels on Instagram, I'm real into them. Like, they be making me feel like I'm dirty. Like, they be making me feel like I'm dirty. Them people be cleaning every inch of their house. But it's so inspiring because I'm like, ugh, I want to be that clean and organized. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that real quick. Didn't get my Starbucks because it was too busy. So that sucks, but I'm getting crab legs. I'm at the crab leg place now. I already went to the bank. That was pretty quick. But yeah, now I'm getting crab legs because I am on this like saving journey. So hear me out. I am on a saving journey. Like, I'm trying to save enough money to make a savings account because I do not have a savings account. All I have is a checking. And as an adult, I'm like, I really need a savings account. So my goal is to save up to like $3,000 and open a savings account. And I also need a credit card. I need to apply for a credit card as well. That's what I'm really trying to focus on at this point in my life, is getting a savings account, getting a credit card, you know, start working towards the future, my future. I've seen this like reel on Instagram where it's like the 100 envelope challenge. It's a money challenge, and I think they say you put the amount of money that the envelope number is, and when you fill it up, it's like $5,050, and I really want to do that. But I said I want to start. I think I want to start with like a lower one though, because I just feel like that one's gonna take a while. So I just want to start like, you know, small, like maybe like 1,000 challenge or something. But I like the envelopes and stuff because like I'm really good at saving money, like when it's cash, like taking cash out and stuff. Like if it's in my account, like I suck at it. But yeah, taking out cash and everything, I'm really good at it. So I really like that idea. I've had like savings, but it's like I've had it in my checking account. Like I just know how to like not touch a certain amount. And then sometime within the last year, that went away, and I have no idea. I keep trying to remember like what I spent it on, like, because I really can't think. It wasn't much. It was literally like 1,000 something, but like it's gone. Like I don't know what I didn't make no big purchase. Like I don't know what I spent it on. I really don't. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting on my crab legs. I'm right outside the place. Like I just put it in on DoorDash to pick up, and I'm just gonna go grab it when it's ready. But yeah, I'll check back with y'all later. Hey y'all, I'm back from the bank, and I completely forgot to get a bath mat, but I said I'll just probably get that tomorrow. And I got my seafood. I got my crab legs. Y'all, I'm trying to let it go, I promise. we are going to be on a journey of saving. So I gotta let it go. I gotta let it go. I don't know. I feel like I could have it here and there. I was just getting it way too much. Like, I used to get these like every week, literally, and they're like $50. Like, it's not cheap. Y'all know crab legs is not cheap. And I was getting it like every week, literally. I don't get it that, but like I've gotten, the last time I got it was probably like 2 weeks ago. So, you know, I'm cutting back a little bit, you feel me? Just a little. But I was gonna set up my, I wanted y'all to watch me set up my calendar. So let me move my marker. And I said I'm probably just gonna go ahead and do August, because it's the end of July now, so might as well do August. So let me get y'all in closer. So for now, y'all, I'm just going to eat my crab legs, probably watch some true crime again. Y'all know I've been into true crime lately. And chill out. Later I might do my laundry. I'm at least sort it out so I can get up and do it early tomorrow. That's if I get up. Like, I've been literally like getting up so late. Like, y'all, I've been doing like community service, you know, on these days that I have off, but I've been wanting to go early in the morning and I keep waking up. It's like I'll get up at 7, but because it's not, you know, like nothing like where like it's going to be a consequence, like work or something, I lay back down and then I go back to sleep. Like today I'll like lay back down all the way up to 11, like literally. Like, I hate it so much. Like, I'm trying to do, that's really something I need to work on, is like self-discipline and accountability, because like that's why I haven't been working out anymore. Like, you know, it's just something that like I've really like fallen off from. So ooh, I bet the lighting sucks. I really hope I get that together, because life would be so much better if I get up at 7. I need to get up 6, like the 6 a.m. girlies, and go work out and do the rest of my day. I need to do that, but we're gonna, you know, baby steps. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go eat my crab legs, watch some true crime, and I'll check back in if I'm doing anything interesting. Probably just gonna be like, if anything, I'm probably gonna be finishing up cleaning, because I really didn't finish my dishes in the kitchen and my room's still dirty because all my laundry's in there. I need to sort that out and stuff. But yeah, so I'll check back in if I get to being productive again.
See
like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess is honest as fucking honest. Kidding, I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states.